Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to draw Nanami Kento from Jujutsu Kaisen, and a subscriber asked me to draw him. So let's start the tutorial by drawing these two lines for his googles, glasses, whatever. Okay, then draw a center line, should be almost in the middle, and then start drawing the circles for the googles. I'm gonna draw a circle like this on both sides and it will obviously look easy. So as it's a tutorial and it's easy, so watch till the end and like the video if you are watching Jujutsu Kaisen currently, and subscribe to my channel in advance. Why I'm sounding so serious today? I don't know, it sucks. And yes, I have got 3 things to tell you guys in this video, and the one is we just crossed 1k subscribers on YouTube. Yay! Let's celebrate it, and thank you to all of you who built a 1k family on YouTube. Thank you to all of my subscribers and viewers. Let's go to monetization soon. Keep supporting everyone. Love you. And the second thing is I crossed 20k followers on Instagram yesterday.
I'm so happy. Arigato.
Don't mind me acting weird today. And finally, the third thing is I am again working on a fan art of Eren and Mikasa, and I am sure that it's gonna turn out so good. So let's wait for it, and I'm gonna post it after this video. And the reason I am re-uploading this video is the same. That fan art is a big deal and it's gonna take a lot of time to be complete, and I have to post the videos too on YouTube. So I decided to post this video today. I did some more shading and make it a full shading tutorial so that I can complete the fan art in the spare time. So the glasses are done, and now let's draw the eyebrows just above them. They're easy to locate because they're just attached with the googles. Draw this line so that both of the eyebrows will be equal to each other. And this line is for the nose bridge. And now let me draw the face shape because it's close to the eyes. So first, drawing the things that are close to these googles will make the drawing less complicated. It will make you realize that it's not that difficult, and you will be able to locate other things and features. Now I think we should draw the left ear, and then I will be proceeding the same on the other side. Saying same is easy, but doing is difficult as hell. Okay, as the both sides are complete, now it's time to locate the nose, and you can see it's almost equal to the bend of the jaws. And a curved line for the mouth just below the nose. I haven't drawn the eyes yet because I think there will be some viewers who don't want to draw the eyes or can't draw the eyes. So it will just make the drawing look easy, but I'm gonna draw the eyes in the end. So now locating the chin and joining the lines together. Draw the neck and the dress and the hair too. Now I guess I'm not gonna explain anything further because the difficult thing, that is face, is done. Okay, the sketch is done, but let me draw the eyes now. And obviously it's gonna look even more beautiful when I draw the eyes. Eyes are done, and now it's time to remove the sketch and then do the outline. So after picking up an 8B pencil, let's start the outline and quickly finish it and then go to the shading. Outline is done, and let's use the B pencil to do some shading, and it's a little darker than the normal. Now using a 2H pencil, which is lighter than the normal, and when I say normal, it means HB pencil grade. And now it's time to use the 2B, which is darker than the B and HB. Now I'm using a 2H pencil to do some light shading. And guys, this is a 4B pencil, and unfortunately this is so short now that it's hard to see even the grade of it. Actually, I have been using it too much. And now I'm using this blending stump to do blending. And now let's use our tissue paper to do some shading in the face. And finally, let's do the signature in the end, and let's go to see the final look then. So here's the final look, and I hope you liked that video and it helped you a lot. And if really yes, then don't go without subscribing. Bye!